I hope you realize that nonfiction books are a gift. You open up a book and presto, a gift. From one book, you are given the chance to be an expert on butterflies. From another book, the chance to know how bridges are made. When I'm given a gift, say on my birthday, I like to feel the weight of the package even before I unwrap it. I try to figure out what's inside. I turn it one way, another, just thinking, what's in this package? Yesterday, you learned that readers do something similar before they open the gift of a nonfiction book. They try to figure out what the book will teach them, what the gift of knowledge will be. Today, I want to teach you that when readers get ready to read and learn from a nonfiction book, they preview all the different parts of the book when they take a sneak peek. Readers look at each part and think, how does this book go? Are you wondering what great gift we're going to get with this book? Let's find out. Will you help me get ready to read this book? To do this, let's look together carefully at each of the parts and think, how does this book go? What is this book going to teach me? Are you ready? Let's first read the title, Weather. And I see the tornado on the cover, so this book must be about weather and tornadoes. But wait, let me see if I can push myself further. I've read books about weather before, and I know that they often have a chapter about extreme weather, and they often explain what weather is, maybe talking about clouds or the rain or the temperature. We should also look at the table of contents to see what other things we'll learn in this book. I see that there's a chapter on clouds and wind. There's even one on rainbows. As we're looking at this page about rainbows, there are 3 things that I think will really help us before we start reading. First, you'll notice the headings. They're in much larger font so that we know that that really is giving us a title for the page. The other thing is the pictures. The pictures tell us a lot about what we're going to read as well. And then the third thing that I'm looking at is this little part up in the corner. In this case, they're giving us, well, kind of a joke, a question and an answer. But on some pages, you'll find that they're actually teaching us new vocabulary words. Either way, they'll be important to read. On this page, I can tell that the book is also going to teach us about lightning and thunder. Again, they give us a vocabulary word at the bottom. Another feature that's kind of cool is they help us to figure out how to say different words. I also notice by some of the capitalized words and some of the words that are italicized that they're giving us some sound effects to help us really see or hear what lightning and thunder might sound like or look like. Of course, when you're reading your books, you'll want to preview more than just 2 pages. You'll really want to get an idea about what the book is going to teach you. But did you see how by studying each part of the text and asking, how does this book go, we got ideas about what this book would teach and even got some ideas that would help us to read it better. You are getting ready to read. You are getting ready to be given the gift of knowledge.